Thinking about adding window film to your home, but wondering how long window tint actually lasts? The answer depends on a few important factors, including the quality of the film, installation, and how well it's maintained. Residential window tint isn't just about changing the look of your windows. Window film helps reduce heat, block harmful UV rays, protects your furniture and flooring from fading, and makes your home more comfortable throughout the year. So how long can you expect your window tint to last? On average, premium and multi-layer window film can last anywhere from 18 to 22 years, depending on the type of window film you choose. Lower quality films may begin to show signs of wear after only a few years. Windows that receive a lot of direct sunlight, especially east, south, and west facing windows, can experience more stress over time. Choosing a high quality film and having it professionally installed helps ensure your investment lasts. If you notice bubbling, peeling edges, discoloration, reduced heat protection, or more glare inside your home, it may be time to replace your existing window film. At Sun Control Minnesota, we've been providing professional window film solutions since 1978. Contact us today to find the right window film for your home and enjoy better comfort, protection, and efficiency.